At Tilray, we are committed to being a good partner to communities and regulators wherever we operate.
When did it become mainstream for investors?
Well, I would hope to say that today was a huge milestone. They wanted a cannabis company to IPO in the U.S., to list in the U.S. That resulted in us being here today.
I want to talk to you about Tilray because in the course of 72 hours, you've effectively seen what happened with this IPO. You went up through here and ultimately you could have bought it there, and now you're down already 30%. You have to be careful here, folks.
Would valuation be a concern here? Do we retest the IPO price?
I think you could.
Check out shares of Tilray. Parabolic move today. Now has a market cap of $14.4 billion, bigger than 140 companies in the S&P 500.
Well, it's hard to come up with words that really describe the kind of trading action that we have seen in some of these cannabis-related stocks.
Price doesn't matter. Ridiculous move. Look at the spike today in cannabis and Tilray search. Ridiculous.
If you're an investor looking for growth, are you going to invest in Macy's or a global cannabis company?
We got to talk some cannabis this morning. Canadian cannabis firm Tilray continues to soar.
It's soaring. It's a cannabis pharmaceutical company.
Why does Tilray stand out among the pack?
So I haven't smoked anything if you think about that.
And you don't think there's too much hype, speculative money plowing into these names and that someone's going to get hurt on the other side?
No, someone definitely will.
Boy, what a wild day for anyone trading Tilray's stock. An hour before the close, shares soared as high as 94%, only to wipe out all of those huge gains and more in less than an hour. The swings were so volatile, the stock was halted 5 times.
Bottom line, this is a squeeze of epic proportions.
This is a stock that's pretty much run up as high as it can go from a short standpoint.
It was a video game. Fun. They want to trade because it's fun. Go ahead. But this is not an investment at this point. It's a mania.
This is not a stock. It's an instrument. It's not a company. What's unfortunate is that it's getting this much airtime.
Shares of Tilray getting slammed down 17% today. Stock plummeted after hitting a high of $300 in September. It is down a whopping 70% since then.